Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Selah Raines, health educator with the West Virginia University Family Nutrition Program, and today I will show you how to make mini bagel vegetable pizzas. Of course, the first thing you always want to do is read over your recipe and wash your hands, which I've already done. To make these mini bagel vegetable pizzas, you'll need 2 mini bagels split in half, 1/4 cup of light sour cream, 1 teaspoon of ranch dressing mix, and 1/2 cup of vegetables diced. You can use whatever vegetables you like. For my vegetables, I chose golden bell peppers, cucumbers, and tomatoes because they're very colorful and a great source of nutrients. So once you have your salad dressing mix added to your sour cream, you're going to stir that up to get those flavors really mingling. Take that sour cream and start spreading it across your mini bagels. We're building our layers here. So just a thin layer of sour cream. Next, go ahead and take those vegetables and just sprinkle them right on top. And you can see I've already done a couple here. So you could see what it looked like. If you have children, you could let them sprinkle their own vegetables. So when you're done, it's going to look like this. Now, half a bagel is 1 serving, so you'll have 4 servings on a plate. And it's a great summertime snack.